Welcome kids to our channel. Let's learn together. Today we are going to learn about using a or and are you ready? Let's get started. Are you ready? Let's get started. A is used with words that begin with consonants. Consonants are the letters B, C, D, F, G, F, G, H, J, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. B. The word balloon starts with consonant. So we say a balloon. The word dress starts with a consonant. So we say a dress. The word guitar starts with a consonant. So we say a guitar. The word tomato starts with a consonant. So we say a tomato. The word melon starts with a consonant. So we say a melon. Remember that R means one. So we don't say our balloons, we say our balloon. And is used with words that begin with vowels. Vowels are A, E, I, O, U, O, U. The word alligator starts with R vowel. So we say an alligator. The word ant starts with R vowel. So we say an ant. The word ice cream starts with a vowel. So we say an ice cream. The word oven starts with a vowel. So we say an oven. The word umbrella starts with a consonant. So we say an umbrella. Remember that it means one, for example. We don't say an apples, we say an apple. If you like my video, please like, subscribe and share with your friends. Thanks for watching.